Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alini. I'm from class PPID. US city past and present. One, the problems of the nation cities pollution, crime, riots, a lack of planning. Transportation are bad, but they were worse in the so-called good old days, according to Dr. Carlos Ardiaz. He gives pollution from automobiles as one example. He agrees that it may be bad now, but he states that there was a lot of pollution from horses and other animals in American cities in the 19th century. Two, most cities had their own slaughterhouses, where cows and pigs were killed a century ago. They were careless about throwing out the remains of the animals and the sort of thing. He said, and the sewer system for waste disposal was almost non-existent. Three, some of the problems that bothers people living in the cities during that period are still with us: poor planning, problems in low-income neighborhoods, place relation, and public transportation. Four, pollution was a very important problem for city governments in the last century, particularly with regard to water supplies. Dr. Adrian said they had some idea that water could be polluted, but they didn't know how trying to get for what water was a big problem. Number five, people like to talk about the good old days, but actually the cities of the 19th century were dirty and in many ways filthier than today. Communicable disease was a great concern. There was still smallpox and also yellow fever, malaria, cholera, and typhoid. The infant death rate was high, and there were other dangers as well. And number six, it is true that people were not being killed by cars. How fair they often were killed or seriously injured by runaway horses. It was quite common, Dr. Adrian said. Seven, crime was a great concern then too, according to Dr. Adrian. Mugging was a common then, he said, but it did exist. Pickpockets were very common too also. From the 108,030s on, there were a lot of summer gatherings. That wasn't just something from the 1960s. There were several causes, but basically it was because many people moved to the cities from the rural areas. Planning of cities and their neighbors was controlled by land speculators and real estate developers who were only interested in making money. 9. Finally, Dr. Andreas thinks that the situation from problems facing American cities have not changed so much, and he suggests that we look back at the past and try to learn from it. I think enough here. Thank you.